Want to change the time zone on your Apple Watch? In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so your watch displays your selected time, wherever you are. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends if it helps. You have to change this setting from the iPhone itself. So, head to your iPhone's settings. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. Inside General, scroll again and tap on Date and Time. You'll see an option that says Set Automatically. Toggle that off. Once it's off, the manual settings will appear. Now you can select your desired time zone. For example, in my case, it was previously set to Colombo, but I was able to manually change it. You can also change the date and time here. Just tap on the date field to adjust the date, and tap on the time to set a custom time. In my case, I didn't change the date, just the time. Now look at your Apple Watch. It should be showing the exact time you just set manually on your iPhone. And that's how you do it. If this helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.